So on this one here, I found that the center barrel, which is Coke, has a bad beater motor. I turn it on and it's not turning. I'm gonna go in and see if I could test the capacitor for that beater motor, and it might just be a bad capacitor. So I'm in manual on and off right here, and I have the beater motor turned on and it's not turning, so that's an issue. That'll have to be checked out. If not, if it's not the capacitor, I'll have to come back and replace the beater motor. As you can see, I'm going to go over to barrel 3 and I'll turn that beater motor on, and you can see that one's turning. So there definitely is an issue with the beater motor on barrel number 2. Let me just show you here. This is that center barrel number 2, the Coke, the one that had the beater motor that wasn't turning. What I did was I took the cover off, and then with that beater bar you can turn it by hand, and you can tell. I'm going to turn it on right now and just listen. You can hear it has possibly has a few bad bearings. See, it shouldn't be that loud. So that beater motor it's running for now, but when this product freezes down and gets a load on it, this beater motor is slowing down, and then it just stops. It just locks up. So I'm gonna suggest that they let me come back and replace this beater motor. Let me just shut it off. It's a little loud, but I'm gonna suggest that I come back and replace this beater motor. I'm gonna go ahead, clean out this barrel, sanitize it, and then see how it does with freezing down for now, and then I'll come back once I get them to order the motor, and then I'll come back and put it in place, and they should be good to go. Just to show you the difference, look at barrel number 3. See how quiet that is. And now I'm gonna shut this one off and then go over to barrel number 2 and then turn it on, and you can see you can hear the difference. So that beater motor is definitely on its way out. So what I'll do is, like I said, I'll request that they let me come back and replace the beater motor for them, and we'll go from there. Just wanted to show you the difference there, that the motor should not sound that loud with the grinding sound. Okay, welcome back again here. I just wanted to show you, I have these barrels frozen down. Like I said, barrel number 1 is good. Barrel number 2 has a weak motor, I would call it, but you can hear the noise that motor's making, and it should not make that noise. So I'm gonna put in estimate for them to come back and replace this motor before it goes out totally. And right over here, barrel number 3, this was given an issue with leaking out of this valve, the vent valve right here, the vent port. I cleaned up that tank. Both of these barrels, I cleaned those all out and then replaced the rear seals on them. And then I had to adjust the bricks on both of these, actually, because they were both off of the standard for the bricks level. So I fixed all that, got the barrels freezing down again, and now he's back in business. This was a long time customer of mine. I'd have to say probably for like 15 or so years. So, you know, I usually try to get out here, take care of whatever issues he's got, and then I mean, it's been good. I mean, throughout the years, but as you can see, those barrels are frozen down, operational, and should be good. This is a called a 773 model Slurpee machine. This is one of the newer versions of the 7 series machines, and it's a pretty nice unit, as long as it's, you know, maintained well. They should hold up pretty good for them. So I just wanted to show you all that and go over what I did to each barrel, and it seems that I'm gonna have to come back at a future time, and I want to come back and replace that beater motor right here. And the place where you would get to the beater motor is in the back of the machine, so I'd have to pull out this counter and then get access to the back of the machine, and then remove the back panel, and then take that motor out, switch it out, and then I'll change the rear seal. I always change the rear seal when I change these beater motors, so, you know, keep that in mind, and, you know, stay tuned. When I do that, I probably will try to do it live if I can. If not, you can be able to catch the replay on the video. So I thank you all for watching. That's all I got from here. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Take care.